I'm Megan with WTI, and I am about to grind my own meat and make my own sausages with this Sunmile electric meat food grinder, and I'm super excited. This machine comes with everything you need, including 3 stainless steel plates, so you can choose the size you would like to grind your meat. And although this machine appears to be very simple and homely in its design, definitely it's not something to underestimate. This works like a boss when grinding meat. And we were super impressed with how easy it was to put together and how well it ground up our meat. Just take a look at how well the meat passes through the coarse plate. We, of course, were making sausages, so we also tried the sausage attachment, and it came out nice and smooth and slow. But it did take a little bit of finesse and a little bit of time to figure out how to use it. So we did have a few breaks, which is normal when making sausages, but it did work okay. This was really easy to use, easy to clean. That's why I love it, and that's my point of view.